Eighth grade. So I went back and I've been looking at past assignments from semester 1 and from semester 2. And so this assignment is for people who didn't necessarily get a very good grade on their element report and computer model. And this will give you a chance to boost your grade so that you have a better GPA at the end of the school year. So what you're going to do first is go on to Scratch, and you can see the address up at my address bar at the top. And then you're going to want to go over to sign in and sign in. If you don't remember your username and password, you may need to make a new account. And it's very easy. You just have to go through all the steps to do that. So I'm going to go over to create because I'm making a new project. And today, all we're going to be doing is making a sprite for our element computer model. So the first thing we want to do is name it. So I'm going to name this element project. And then I'm going to put my initials at the end so it's easy to tell my project apart from others. Okay. And you have a choice now. You can make a sprite with a picture of your element, and you can have your element do the talking about the facts that you can have your element talk about itself, or you can have a second sprite, and the sprite can talk about facts about your element. So I'm going to do the second sprite. So I have my first sprite here, which is Scratch, and then I'm going to move my picture. Go ahead and save this now. And if you look over here, there's a button that says Upload Sprite. Well, I need to download a picture of my element before I can upload it into Scratch and create it as a sprite. So I'm just going to start a new tab. I'm going to type in elements of the periodic table, and I will add an image. And I don't want just the periodic table. I want pictures of the elements. It looks like all they're doing is giving me the periodic table. So I'll use this to find an element then. So looking at the periodic table, I'll do, I don't know, CD, just picking a random one. If you already have something started but you never finished it and you never turned it in, you can definitely use that. CD element configuration. Electron configuration, I love that. Okay, cool, we got cadmium. And this is a great picture. It's colorful, it shows the nucleus and things like that. But I want that has the background on it. So I'm gonna keep looking. Electric mass. You know what? I'm just gonna stick with this picture. I like it, I can talk about it. I'm gonna right click on it and I'm gonna go to copy image. Or no, I'm gonna go save image as. And then I can go to, a window will pop up. If you have a Chromebook, you can do something similar like this. You're gonna wanna copy that image and you can download it. And then when I come to Scratch and I go to upload, then my picture will be on my files. And here is my element. And that's all we're going to do for today. So you've uploaded the picture of your element to create a sprite, and you've decided whether you want to have a character narrate it and talk to your element, or if just you want your element sprite alone. And that's all you have to do for today. Tomorrow, I'll show you the next step. Okay? So you don't have to share this with me. Share it at the end when everything is completed. All right, guys. Bye.